Hi. What are we doing today, Dean? Looking through our freezer, right?
That's
For
right.
blueberries that you picked last year that you should be using. But I'm going to show you right now that you can literally make pie crust in this food processor with your plastic blade for dough in a minute. Okay, so I've already pulsed my lard, which I made myself, so it's true fat that we're putting in here. So we have 3/4 cup of lard and 4 tablespoons of butter and a heaping teaspoon of salt. And you're gonna pulse this till it looks like sand, right? And then you're gonna put in your water. Now watch how fast this comes together. Done. Look at how nice. So I'm going to put it over here to show you. So now when I'm making the filling for my blueberry pie, I'm going to put this in the fridge to keep it cold. But look at how beautiful. So if you're going to buy lard, you should buy it from the farmer's market in Marquette, because there is a guy that goes there and he makes his own lard, so you know that's not hydrogenated. It's pure fat, and that's what we need to start eating. But see my blueberries here? I picked these last August. And when you see that they're all individually coated with sugar, you know you have enough sugar. And the other thing I put in here is a sprinkle of salt and some lemon juice. And when that starts boiling, I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in it. So, isn't that easy, Dean? You could do it.
I sure could.
Look at how good. I made this pie 2 days ago, hey? This is the last piece.
Yep.
Look at how nice this crust is. It is so flaky. Look at that. So good. Give it a try. I knew something with a motor, okay? Keep smiling.